These and it's better. Oh my god. Hey my Nikki Charmers, welcome back to the channel. I am Nikki of Nikki Charms. So today's video, I wanted to show you all the things that I got from Amazon before the actual setup. It's like a shop and sip, if you want to call it that, because I have a lot of stuff. But you'll see all the details once I decorate the bathroom, that I'm going for a modern Barbie style bathroom. So I want it to be luxurious, feel like a spa, but also modern and still on theme with the Barbie. And all items mentioned today will be in the description box below in my Amazon storefront. So if you're interested, continue to watch. Let's see what we got in here today. Our first thing is we got this hot pink towels, bath towels. It's 100% cotton, has absorbent, and it comes in a pack of, I think it's either 6 or 8 that comes in the pack. But I love the bright pink of it, especially on them. We have this vase. It is very well packed, so I'm struggling to take it out the package. Forever just to take it out. I have these white ceramic vases with a beautiful texture on it, which I love, and it brings some sleek and modern feel to the bathroom. Even though it's Barbie themed, we still want it to look very modern. So I'm definitely loving these, and it's better. Oh my god. So we just had a mishap, but it did not break, so at least I know that it's definitely worth the money. Yes, I'm loving these and can't wait to decorate. Up we have this other vase, which is very light pink and a regular shape. I love the shape of it, I love the color of it. It's to decorate the shelves in the bathroom. And I may put a candle or a floating candle or something, or even flowers. We'll see when we actually start to decorate, but I'm loving the color and the shape of it. And I thought it would have been smaller, but it's actually a good size. Next up, we have this rose gold waste basket. It's on theme, so it's gonna be like different shades of pink in the bathroom, but I like this. So it's not just light pink or baby pink. It's rectangular, stainless steel. Okay, next up we have another package. It's soy wax rib pillar scented candles with a twirl. And I am loving it already. You see the packaging? Very nice. Comes with a little thank you card. This is a small business on Amazon. It's just from opening the package. The scent is amazing. Yeah, I definitely want this in my bathroom. It smells so good. It's like, can't even explain the scent, but it smells really, really good. Because I'm more wet for the aesthetic of it rather than the scent. And they package it very well, so it shouldn't break. So this is one of the small candles. Here's another one. They all have the same scent, but it smells amazing. This is the third one. So it's like 2 ribbed, and then another one that's twirled. I love the candle. It smells really, really good, but it is strong, and I know how I am with strong scents. It kind of gives me a headache after a while, and I'm wondering if this will be the case. But other than that, I am loving the candles. I don't know how it burns yet, but I'm loving the aesthetics, the feel, and the look. Okay, moving forward, we still have a lot to cover. It's a lot of stuff that I ordered from Amazon. So, next thing we have up is this pink ombre shower curtain. This is the texture of it up close. See it ombres down to a darker pink, which I love. And the material's not too bad. It's not too thin. It's polyester, so we'll see how it looks hanging up. On that, I want to show you the actual shower hooks that I got for it. It's like these cute little flowers, like a soft pink with a deeper pink in the middle of it, if you can see exactly. I love the color of it, and I think it will go good with these actual shower curtains. So we'll see how it looks. And if you didn't have any hooks, they actually come with their own hooks. And you know, it's just a regular basic white shower hooks. We couldn't go with the basic one, so I had to get some special shower hooks for this, just to zhuzh it up a little more. This is the perfect little bath mat. I'm not sure of the size, but everything will be linked in the description box, so you can pick out other sizes. I think they had other shapes. I think they had a square one as well, but I like the round one since I have a square mat for in front of the shower. This one is the second option. It's also ombre, but this is the square style of it. And this actually comes with two. I forgot that I ordered the one with two because the other size that I wanted, which was one big long one, they were out of, so I got the two. And I'll probably put them side by side, but this is how it looks. So this will go in front of the shower. I always like the feel of these type of rugs when we get out the shower. I think what is it called? Chenille. And I love that it's not just plain, but it has the ombre to it. So I hope it blends in with the shower curtain. We have this little storage basket. Or toilet paper in there, and I actually like this. This is very sturdy. You can actually push it down if you're not using it and store it and slide it somewhere. So this is perfect. It's not like one of the other folding ones that you fold up. No, you just bend it down, break it down like this, and you just slide it into wherever you need to. I love the little handles of it. Next we have a container perfect for my wet wipes. If you don't use wet wipes, you're missing out. But yes, if you know, you know. So I wanted some type of holder to place my wet wipes in, and they had a pink one, of course. I love the reflective glass of it, so it looks a little like it's kind of like blingy, but it's not. So like I said, I like that it doesn't look childish, but this is perfect. I think it comes in clear as well, but we wanted to stay on theme with the pink, so this is perfect. If you're not using wet wipes, what are you doing? Moving on to my mini finds. Like I said, this took some time just to go shopping on Amazon and look for all pink things. It definitely wasn't easy, especially for the kind of aesthetic I'm going for. Like, I didn't want just anything that looks childish or kind of like cheap, so I had to really do some digging, but I think I found some good pieces. So I can't wait to see everything come together. So I think I'm gonna like it. I think I'm gonna like it. So I have these glass containers that you can put like cotton rounds and cotton swabs in. Comes as a pair. And it's like this pink glass with the flower detailing. Okay, let's continue with my many things. My camera's actually starting to die, unfortunately, and I want to finish filming before it dies and before the sun completely goes down. Another pink vase, and it has a rib effect to it. I love the texture. It's another ceramic one, but I love the color and I love the shape of it as well. Yes, I can't wait to put something in it. I'm trying to think, what should I put in it? I think the pampas grass will actually look nice in this as well, but I don't want too much pampas grass, so we need to decide which vase is gonna get the pampas grass. We got some faux pampas grass. I prefer the feathery one rather than the dried one, because when you have the dry one, you're gonna have to sweep constantly, and so nobody got time for that. I'm just being honest. I don't have time for that. So I prefer the fluffy faux pampas grass, and I think this is, I'm not sure what's the size on it, but It's not too big. This one comes with a set of 5 pampas grass. It'll fit perfect in one of the vases, so I can't wait. Yes, this is so pretty. I love have this Cocoa Door flower diffuser. I actually have some that, I'm trying to think what's the scent. Can't remember the scent of it, but I already have this. Hey guys, so we're back and my camera's fully charged now. Had to take a little break because of that, a little intermission, but let's get back into the shopping. So as I was rudely interrupted by my camera, we have the Cocoa Door flower diffuser. Couldn't remember what it was for a second, but it's a flower diffuser. I have Cocoa Door in, I think, is it Refreshing Air, I believe. I love the scent of that one. It's not too strong, it's actually very supple, so I can actually deal with that scent because, like I said, I get headaches from strong scents. So I'm hoping this one isn't the case because, you know, with Amazon, you cannot return like body scents and perfumes and things like that. So I'm kind of stuck with this one in the scent Cocoa Peach. Comes with these black reeds. It comes with the pink flower, and you know we're on a pink theme, so that's the main reason why I got this scent. Let's smell it. It's not strong, but it's very peachy. It's not necessarily my favorite scent, but as long as it's not too strong, I think I can handle it. Okay, we're moving on. We're almost finished. Thank you, Jesus. If you could tell, I'm very introverted, so this definitely is a plus that I'm actually liking the whole setup of filming on camera. I'm kind of getting a little more used to it because I normally don't do sit downs and speak in front of the camera like that, so I'm actually enjoying this and I hope you guys are enjoying it as well. We have some glass soap bottles, which are of course pink, and I bought it because I think it matched the actual glass canisters that I showed you. And it seems like this is the theme, the little ribbed effect texture on my vase and all my little accessories. Looking in the package, it actually comes with the stainless steel option or this brighter silver option. I don't know, the camera won't focus on it, but yeah. So I can play around and see which one I like. But I think I like the stainless steel more. So this one is a little brighter than this one. This is a more softer pink, a more see-through or transparent, if you want to call it. A 50 Shades of Gray is gonna be 50 Shades of Pink. Don't mind me, I'm rambling right now. And I have this extra, another vase, but I'm playing around to see which ones I like the best, but I think I may be keeping this one. This one is so cute. It's like a book, a clear book. And you could put flowers inside of it, and you could actually slide it on a shelf with some books. I seen how they displayed it on Amazon and it was so cute. So I think this is definitely a must-have. It's just so simplistic, but yeah, it's so cute and elegant. So I know I'll be keeping this one for sure. Ready to wrap it up. We just have a few more. I can open this one. So this is a cute little serving tray. And it has glass inside of it. And you can hold it. It's huge actually. And I actually need to see how it sits on my sink top because, like I said, it's very huge. It has like a rose gold finishing to it, if you can see. So it's kind of, I would say more metallic pink than rose gold. It looks more pink than rose gold. I wait to start ordering things so I can actually bring my place to life. You guys are gonna come along with me to decorate my place from living room to office to kitchen, and it'll be a lot of different DIYs, so you wanna stay tuned. And last but not least, I have this light. It's like a plug-in light, and it's actually pink. And you know we had to set off the ambience with another layer of pink. This is perfect. Let me actually open it so you can see how it looks inside. So I think it's 2 of them, 2 LED lights. So you just plug it in and you're able to light it up, and you're able to turn it off right here. and turn it on. That was the last of all the items that I just showed you. I hope you guys enjoyed shopping with me today and all my Amazon finds. I hope it gives you some ideas to redecorate or incorporate new things into your home. Leave me a comment below and let me know if you enjoyed it. This actually inspires me to continue to push content like this. Or even comment down below what you want to see on the channel. I want my channel to be more well-rounded, so if you know what I mean, thank you. So once again, I hope you guys truly enjoyed it, and let me know your feedback if you enjoy sit down videos like this or stand up videos, hauls, whatever you want to call it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and until next time, be blessed guys. And stick around to see where I decorate next, or give me some inspiration of what you want to see. Fall is right around the corner. It's basically here come September, so I know I'm gonna get into some fall decor, some DIYs, so you definitely want to stay tuned for those things. Fall is one of my favorite seasons, so I will definitely be decorating. It won't be necessarily like Halloween or anything like that. I will be decorating for like fall, as far as Thanksgiving and even Christmas when it comes around. So I just want to hear you guys' feedback so I can put out content just for you.